Thank you, Mr President. My question is to the Minister representing the Minister for Planning. This week we saw VCAT being slammed by Stonington City Council and 24 local residents as an unrepresentative tribunal not listening to the people after allowing a 250 student campus to go ahead in Glen Iris. City of Stonington Deputy Mayor said she was disappointed that VCAT had not listened to the concerns of local residents and councillors about the impact of increased traffic and parking from this proposal. This is another example of an unrepresentative tribunal not listening to the people who know their area best, the local community, she said. A local resident said the development was excessive in size, volume and scale, and that no decision coming out of VCAT is a surprise, as they always decide in favour of developments and developers, end quote. My question to the Minister is, why is the community so often let down by VCAT, who fails to promote and uphold good planning policy in favour of developers?
Mr. Shields.
Thank you, President. Thank you, Mr Hayes, for your question. There are a couple of things in that I might want to pick up. Firstly, I'm not sure whether you're asking for an opinion, and in fact this appears more perhaps a member's statement. And secondly, there's a reflection on a quasi-judicial tribunal there, and I'm happy to seek some guidance from you, President, as to whether that's appropriate in this place. That notwithstanding, I'm very happy, in accordance with the standing orders, to take that question on notice and seek a response from you in accordance with the standing orders, to the extent that the question stands insofar as a reflection on that tribunal.
And the question is in order, so 2 days. Mr. Hayes on a supplementary.
Thanks, Mr President. Perhaps my supplementary will clarify it somewhat. My supplementary question is, should the Planning and Environment Act be amended to change how and what factors VCAT gives weight to when undertaking a review, so that decisions inconsistent with local planning policies do not occur?
That could be an opinion.
I suspect we might be going in the same direction here, President, in relation to the standing orders and the asking of an opinion. Perhaps, Mr Hayes, you might be invited to rephrase the question. Alternately, to the extent that you might find it in order, I can seek a response.
Order. Thank you. Mr. Hayes, can you please rephrase your supplementary?
Well, I'll say it this way, Mr President. Would the government be inclined to change how and what factors VCAT gives weight to when undertaking a review, so that decisions inconsistent with local planning policies do not occur?
Thanks, Minister.
Thanks, Mr Hayes. Very happy, in accordance with the standing orders, to seek a response to that supplementary question and to have it provided to you.
Thank you, Minister.